Hey, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up to your GitHub account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in github.com and click on enter. Now you can click on the sign up button at the top right corner of your screen, or you can also click on sign up for GitHub button here. After that, you will need to type in your email address on this box here. After typing your information, click on continue button. Now create a password for your account. After that, click on continue button. Now type the username you want. After typing in your username, click on continue button. You can check this box to receive occasional product updates and announcement on your email address. You can also uncheck this box. After that, click on continue button. After solving the CAPTCHA, you will get a code in your email address. Simply type in those code. After typing in your code, you can log into your account. Type in your username here and password on this field here. Then click on sign in button. Now you can skip this personalization by clicking here. After that, you can see that your GitHub account has been created successfully. So that is how you can sign into your GitHub account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.